Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back, Switch Life Garage, man. And as the video says, transmission blew on the 2001 Jeep Cherokee, man, which sucks because it happened the same day I got the exhaust done. Let me just give you a quick rundown on exactly what happened. One of the things, my dad was like, man, I think the brake caliper is locking up on itself because when I put it in reverse, it has a little bit of trouble trying to move, which I kind of noticed it, but not really. I just gave it a little bit extra gas and it moved. You know, it wasn't really an issue. But the exhaust guy said the same thing. I was like, man, you're probably tripping. I don't know. But anyways, I get the exhaust done, and then at night, I probably go about 5 miles down the road, come to a light, I'm starting to brake. I feel a little bit of shaking, kind of in the rear. I thought maybe it might have been the road, but again, there's like another car next to me. I was like, maybe it's this car, like I'm just hearing some noises or something like that. But the light turns green, I take off, and maybe half a mile down the road, fourth gear gives out. It just drops, and then now I'm in third gear. I'm giving it gas, it's still moving, but I know the clutches are slipping on itself, you know. So then I quickly pull over to a gas station, try to see what was going on, which I pretty much knew what was going on. I let it cool down a little bit, and then I took off maybe another mile down the road. Same thing, I let it cool down, move another mile, let it cool down. And then now I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just go all the way home. I go all the way home, third gear gives out, now I'm in second gear, still slipping on itself. But I make it all the way home without any issues. You know, obviously transmission issues, but I wasn't stuck in the road anywhere with needing help. Get to the road, I'm trying to park it, put it in reverse. Reverse is not there anymore. And so I have to push it in reverse, and then I drive it up to a parking spot, and then I just go ahead and push it into the parking. And so that's where it's been sitting this whole time because I can't move it. So you guys are probably thinking, what is next for the Jeep? When am I going to rebuild the transmission? Am I going to sell it? What exactly is going to be done? One of the big things that I always wanted to do to this Cherokee is to make it 4x4. And the 4x4 transmission is different from the two-wheel drive because it has a longer output shaft in order for it to mate up to the transfer case, and of course you need some of the other 4x4 parts. But that's one of the main things that you need to change out is the transmission. So now, of course, I need to go ahead and start collecting parts in order to do this conversion. But I hope you guys are ready for some Jeep content to be uploaded. Of course, I'm going to show you all the details that is needed to make it 4x4 and as well as some additional information. So I just hope that you guys are ready for that content to be coming onto the channel. I hope you're subscribed. I hope you like all my videos. Hope you comment on all my videos because I'm going to catch you on the next one, man. I want to make sure to see you on the conversion content.